I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Uber account. Now, you must understand first why your Uber account got deactivated in the first place. If you were not online for the last 90 days, your account could get automatically suspended. But the reactivation process for this is easy. You just have to go to this website right now, and then you can just reactivate from here, right? You can submit an appeal. But if you deactivate it because you broke some rule from Uber themselves, then it'll be a little more harder, right? There are some rules that you must adhere to. There's like 5 rules that you need to always adhere to, right? There's also a couple of account review process that you always need to be aware of as well, and what losing access happens and what to do, right? Now, if you actually did something bad, and if you did actually do something unforgivable, like stepping over boundaries and then going past their terms and conditions, then sometimes your account can be permanently suspended forever. But if you think the decision was made wrongfully, then of course you can still appeal the decision. You can do so from this website right now. You can do an appeal process. Your account has been deactivated. If you believe your account has been incorrectly deactivated or requires a second review, please submit a request in this website right here.